The reason that we decided to make a switch from one platform to another mostly had to do around growth. We needed a software that was going to accommodate that vision and handle the growth that we have in store for the next 3 to 5 years.
There are some frustrations with our current platform. Some of those frustrations were getting accurate reporting. For our superintendents, we needed a better platform for work orders and budgeting.
We have to use a lot of different apps to achieve one job, so it's going to be really nice if Albi could do that for us.
My initial thoughts when switching from our previous platform to Albi were, oh my gosh, here we go again.
We wanted to partner with a platform that is ever evolving, as we feel Titan is going to.
It has a lot of similarities, but a lot more simplicity than some of the other platforms I've worked with.
Everything being in one place. We could do our pictures in one place, our documentation in one place, just all of it being in one app instead of jumping through different apps.
For Titan, the financial picture and outlook of the company is important. A good job management system that properly tracks that stuff and helps with WIP calculations, percentage completion, could be a huge importance to the financials of the company.
Yeah, we chose Albiware over some of the other options out there due to what the team at Albi was providing us as far as where their vision is and what their roadmap is moving forward, and we felt like it aligned best with where Titan was headed.
We're working really hard at educating all of our employees on AI, and Albi already has a ton of that built into the platform. It's the perfect marriage as we move from Arizona to other areas. It's going to be awesome.
I just want to take it all in, learn it, make my life easier. I'm just super excited for it.